Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are, and happy Tuesday to you. It's Vlogmas Day 17, I think, and I'm going to show you. I forgot to show you. I found this one when I was showing my fidgets in the other video, but I found another one, so I'll show you that. And I'm going to show you my doll I got. And my other doll that I got. I got those two dolls out of the dumpster. It's a number of 3 days that I got a bunch of stuff out of the dumpster. I think the girl that lived across the street must have been cleaning her room or something. But over a amount of 3 days, I got a whole bunch of stuff. And I haven't showed everything. So, but those are some of the things that I wanted to show. With that, if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you get notified when I make more videos. May God always be with you. May you always have an angel by your side. All my best, and God bless. Be kind and be careful out there. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your pets. Take care of each other. I love and appreciate y'all. Till my next video. Bye.